Ctrl Z is one of the most commonly used shortcuts, to reverses the last action and take you a step back. It is also referred as undo feature. Sometimes, we need to revert Ctrl Z, and bring the deleted files after Ctrl Z back. Here in this video, we will show you how. First, can Ctrl Z revert deleted files? It depends. If your file is deleted by using method 1, 2 or 3, you can Ctrl Z revert a deleted file. If you are using method 4 or 5 to delete the files, it is not possible to revert the deleted files with Ctrl Z shortcut. Now, we will show you 4 ways to recover Ctrl Z deleted files. First, redo to reverse Ctrl Z. In most programs, there are undo and redo features. If you want the changes back, you can click redo, or press Ctrl Z to restore the file. But this only works when you don't close the file. If you delete a file like this, press Ctrl Z can also bring your file back to the original location. Second, check Recycle Bin. Also, you should check Recycle Bin. If you deleted a file and pressing Ctrl Z won't restore the file, it might be still in the bin. Open Recycle Bin. Select the deleted files you want to restore. Then choose Restore. Third, restore with file history backup. In the case that you have backed up the files to an external hard drive via file history on your Windows PC, it is easier to restore files deleted by Ctrl Z. Connect the backup drive to your PC. Open file history from the control panel. Check the files you want to recover. Select a version and click Restore button. Fourth, use the best Ctrl Z deleted files recovery software. System Data Recovery has a high recovery rate for both internal and external storage devices, including SD card, USB, SSD, HDD, etc. It is also the right choice for users who lost a file under different scenarios, such as Ctrl Z delete, Shift delete, empty recycle bin, system crash, file corruption, drive formatting. Launch the program. Select the drive where you lost the files. Click Search for lost data to start the scanning. You can browse the recoverable items by path or by type. It is much easier to view by type. Check each category and browse the files. You can preview the files in small and full screen. Also, you can use the filter tool to locate your files quickly. Even enter keywords here to find your files faster. Then select the files. Click Recover button. And choose a location save. In the case that you cannot preview a file, it may be corrupted, use the File Repair tool to fix first. Then recover to a selected location.